Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Listen, tonight I want to talk about trust issues. I was talking to a lady today, and she was telling me that her boyfriend and her had broken up. I almost forgot real quickly. Her boyfriend and her had broken up, and she loves him, but he cheated on her. And she was saying, what do I do? Because I just don't trust him. I don't trust him, Athena. I love him so much. He has been good to me. He has been, oh my God, just my rock. But he cheated. And every time I look up, I'm checking his phone. I'm checking his email. I mean, she was just going there. I've got a GPS on his phone, just one thing after another. And she was like, it's all because I don't trust him. And, it's causing havoc in our relationship because I'm nagging him all the time about what he's doing and where he's going and blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to give a few suggestions. I gave her a few suggestions, and I figured I'd share those with you today. Number one, the number one thing I told her was, did he prove himself worthy of coming back into a relationship with you? Did you see a difference? What was the conversation that you guys had? Was it that one time I really did mess up and I'm truly sorry? What did he do to prove himself? Did you allow him time to prove himself to come back? Sometimes women, we move entirely too fast after a person has cheated on us because we are super hurt and we're open and we're vulnerable. But we have to allow people to go out, to let them go so that they can prove themselves. They can show that they are worthy of a relationship, even if we have to reconnect as friends before we walk back into a committed relationship with them. Because the truth of the matter is, if you don't trust them, you cannot build a relationship. That's just it. That's all. If you don't trust them, you can't build a relationship with them. You have to trust them. So that's that. Number two, forgive the past. You have to forgive what somebody did to you in the past if you want to move on with them. So yesterday is gone. How do I forgive? Just let it go. I have to let go what you did yesterday, because the truth is, if you keep pondering on it, you're going to find yourself nagging and nagging and nagging. Forgive it. If you really love this person, you have to forgive them. You have to forgive them. And then also stop beating yourself up for loving a person that hurt you. A lot of times, especially we as women, we secretly and internally beat ourselves up for loving a person. It's okay to love a person. It's okay to be head over heels for a person, but it's not okay to be committed to something that someone else is not committed to. You're committed to a relationship that person is just not committed to. And the truth is, your gut will tell you that. A woman's intuition sings loud, and we need to learn to listen to it. It sings loud, and you need to learn to listen to it at the end of the day. So did they prove themselves to you? Yes or no? Number one, did they? Or are they coming back and you're just lonely and you have this fear that if you don't, accept them back right away, they're going to go off and be with somebody else. Listen, y'all, true love shows back up. True love will show back up. It will always show back up, and you can trust it to do that. And that's the truth. It will show back up. So don't allow yourself to be scared and fearful, and don't let your insecurities overtake you to the point where you accept something you shouldn't accept back. It's okay. It's okay to sit a minute. It's okay to let them sit a minute, because a person who's truly sorry, they'll prove that to you over time. And that is the truth. And that is the truth. So I hope this helped you. I hope this answered your questions, about what do I do when I love this man, but he cheated on me and I took him back and I don't trust him. You have to rebuild that trust, and you only do that through forgiveness. Listen, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell down there to be notified of when I upload new videos. Check out my website, www.athenathecoach.com. if you would like to connect with me, if you need me to guide you or coach you, connect with me at www.athenathecoach.com. Also, I have a support group called Chapter 8. All of this information is in the link below. Chapter 8, you're starting over. You just need some inspiration, some motivation. That link is below. And don't forget to take a look at my book, Woman Up, Nice Girls Finish Last, which is in the link below. Thanks for watching, and you guys all have a great, wonderful day.